So IP tables is another kind of firewall which allow the malicious software or websites to run on the computer. So it is like a traffic cop. So every packet coming in or going out has a pass by IP table, and we can allow, block, or redirect using the IP table. So IP table works with rules, and we can create rule using some commands we can show you later. So yeah, here is the command I'm typing: sudo iptable import and then TCP. So this is going to pull all the traffic coming into your system or my system, and this is the port number 8080. So this is going to see all those details. So these rules are grouped into chains. So you can see this is for adding a new rule, because I do not have any rule and I'm going to add this rule. So this is going to allow the 8080 traffic and going to redirect using this rule, but I'm not going to change anything because it's a demo machine. So this is the command you can use for your daily purpose. And this is output command. Output command will give you the traffic leaving your system and going to outbound. So we can create a rule for outbound filtering. So attackers often try to IP tables all rules, so they can check what allowed and what not. So always monitor your firewall configuration. So yeah, IP table equal to Linux on security system. It looks a bit intimidating first, but you once know the input, output, and drop accept, you are basically the boss of your traffic flow. So this is the rule I just completed. So this can block the IPs or program which are going outbound. All right.